In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a draft bill in Xero. First, sign into your Xero account the way you normally do, and make sure you're in the correct organization. Accuracy matters here, because deleting a bill in the wrong company file can create confusion in your records. Once you're in, look to the main navigation and click Purchases. This takes you to the Purchases area where you manage bills and related activity. From here, open the Purchases overview. Think of this page as your control center for everything you owe, with quick access to different bill statuses and helpful summaries. Inside the overview, go to the Bills section. This is where Xero organizes your bills by status, so you can quickly find what you need. Since we're removing a draft, switch to the Draft tab. Draft bills are bills you've started but haven't approved yet, so deleting them won't affect your posted transactions or reports. Next, locate the bill you want to delete. Double-check key details like the supplier, the bill date, the reference, and the amount. It's a good idea to confirm you're looking at the correct entry and that it truly is a draft. If you're housekeeping duplicates, make sure you're removing the extra copy, not the one that should move forward. When you've found the right bill, look to the far right side of that row for the three-dot menu. Click that menu to open the available actions for this bill. From the list, select Delete. Xero will ask you to confirm because this action can't be undone. Deleting a draft permanently removes it from your list, so pause and quickly verify those details one more time. If everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the deletion. After you confirm, wait for Xero to remove the bill. You'll typically see the bill disappear from the Draft tab, and you may notice a brief loading indicator. If your internet connection is slower or your list is long, give it a moment to update. If the page doesn't reflect the change right away, a simple refresh usually resolves it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a draft bill in Xero by signing in, going to Purchases, opening the Purchases overview, heading into the Bills section, selecting the Draft tab, finding the right bill, using the three-dot menu to choose Delete, confirming the action, and waiting for Xero to complete the removal. Keeping your draft list clean helps maintain tidy records and reduces errors when you approve bills later.